Baby.
Hey, breakfast is served.
Yeah. I have to go home and go to work.
So, do you remember what today is?
Can you remind me? I can't remember, babe.
Why do you always do this? Why?
What have I done now?
I mean, it's been 3 years of our relationship and you still make the same mistake. You still forget one important day of my life. It's my birthday.
Oh, shoot.
And you promised to take me out for dinner. That's if you remember that part.
Not again. Babe, I'm sorry. I apologize. From the deepest part of my heart. Listen, listen, I know it's been crazy and I take the blame. I'm very, very bad at remembering your birthdays. It's just, I promise to make it up to you. All right? I promise to make it up to you, but not today. Not today. I can't do anything today because I have someone important who's coming from Ibadan. We have a very, important meeting to attend together. So
I knew this will happen again. I don't understand. Who am I to you?
Okay, hold
Am
on.
I dating myself?
You know what to do.
I mean, you feel absolutely nothing for me. Sometimes I ask myself if I'm the one dating myself and not you. Why do you keep doing this? What are you doing?
Hey, it's not what you think. Just relax.
What do I think?
It's not that bad.
You're never available for me on my birthdays or my important days.
All right. I just transferred 500,000 naira. You know what you should do? Listen, take your friends out. Do some fun stuff. Enjoy yourself. It's your birthday. Don't bother making dinner. I'm taking you out when I come back tonight. All right?
I do not need your money, Justin. I need you. What I want for my birthday or as a birthday gift is you, my man, and not your money. I don't want it. Please.
Unfortunately, babe, there's nothing I can do. I have to go.
You have to go?
Yeah, I have to go.
You haven't even touched your phone.
I have, something to do. There's someone is coming from Ibadan. I have to go.
Justin.
Make the sunset on your feet. Make your wish to reality.
Justin!
Complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my
Justin,
heart.
wait!
Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright.
Ezuga! Musa, open the gate. I'm late for work. Ezuga!
Justin, come back here! Musa, shut the gate!
Madam, what a question. They do me like this.
Open the gate. I'm going to work.
Ezuga!
Musa, don't dare me. Shut the gate.
Babe.
Madam, they let me put a question to the family problem. Why they do me like this?
Do not open that gate. Shut it.
Babe, what's wrong with you? I thought I apologized.
But I was trying to talk to you, right?
Babe, come on, I'm late. I have to meet up someone coming from Ibadan. I told you that.
You're not going anywhere.
I'm sorry. I know how you feel, but I'm sorry now, please. I promise to make it up to you when I get back today from work.
It's always the case with you, Justin. I'm tired. So stay back.
Juliet, I love you, but don't do me like this. I have to go to work. It's important I go. I promise to make it up to you when I come back. Okay? Please? I'm sorry, no. I'll make it up to you, I promise.
Whatever.
I love you.
Leave me alone.
I love you.
The world. Make the sunset on your feet. Make your wish to reality. But you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart. Thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go.
Clara, am I not beautiful? Am I that ugly?
You're not ugly. You're so beautiful. Have you looked at yourself in the mirror? Look, seriously, I don't know what's even wrong with Justin. He feels that money is everything, that he can actually use money to appreciate a woman. Doesn't even have your time, nothing. What kind of human being is that?
You know, most times I ask myself if I'm that ugly that he can't even display me in public. That's why he's always hurting me in the dark.
No, not at all. The fact that you refused accepting his money shows that you're not in this relationship because of his money.
Maybe he has run off to the next woman.
No. Why are you getting yourself so worked up? Hmm?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. Okay, no problems. We can speak to the minister on his behalf, and our company is quite reputable, so we are known for our integrity. We are known for our integrity, yes. Yes. All right, thank you very much. Okay. All right, thank you. All right, yeah. Hi, how are you? Thank you.
All the documents are intact.
All right, that'll be all. Thank you.
A quick reminder, sir.
Yeah.
Today is Juliet's birthday. Aren't you supposed to be there?
Yeah, you're right, but I have a lot of work to do.
So do you even have time for yourself?
Yeah, I'm a very busy man, and that's because I have to make a lot of money for my unborn children.
But don't you think you have to be there with her? Most especially today, she needs you more.
I'll do that. All right. Thank you very much. Okay.
Seriously, I don't know what you're still doing with that guy. Because he doesn't even have your time. He's always very busy. Today of all days that's supposed to be your birthday, Justin is not here to celebrate with you. That's not nice. I can't even date such a guy. Seriously, jeez.
But I'm not going to deny the fact that he supports me financially extremely, and he makes sure I lack absolutely nothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So money is more important than his presence. My dear, you need your man. You need him badly. He has to be around you all the time.
I just have to hold on firm to what I have now. At least he has promised to take me out on dinner.
Well, that's a good idea. I just hope he doesn't disappoint. Or probably he comes up with some kind of flimsy excuses of him being busy at work and all that. But don't quote me wrong. The money is actually important because, you need to pay your bills. But seriously, you need your man around you.
Even if he comes up with the excuses, I'll just have to forgive him because there are only few men that can take care of a babe in this way Justin is taking care of me. It's not easy.
Yes, I understand very well. You need to pay bills and all that. The money is important. But please, today's your birthday, Jerry.
Yeah, what do I offer you, please?
No, nothing.
No.
See, I am the one that will spoil you. I'll take you out, buy you lots of gifts, You understand now? I'm gonna spoil you. Bills on me, baby. Anything that makes you happy, I'll do it.
Thank you so much, my friend. But please, we have to hurry up so I can still come back for dinner. Remember, we planned dinner.
Suit yourself.
Thank you.
Girl, you need to go dress up because I think you're becoming lazy right now.
You're right. Let me just.
There's no time.
Who's there? Come in. Come in.
Come in.
Wow.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Please, I'm looking for Miss Juliet.
I'm the one.
This is for you.
Who sent it?
There's a letter inside.
Do you have an idea of who sent this? Don't you have an idea?
We just have to find out.
Okay. Oh my
Thank you.
goodness.
Okay, ma'am.
Wow. This is
From your love, Justin Collins.
Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Oh my god, my baby!
Wait. Justin. I am so dumbfounded. Like, oh,
I told you.
this is so romantic. But I thought he doesn't have time for all of this. So where's this coming from?
Do not judge a book by the cover. We are going to have
paint-
fun.
In fact, we're gonna paint the town red,
Blue,
black,
green.
everything.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long can I take this thing? Oh, every beat of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take just feels so blue. This is aching my soul, it won't subside. Darling, where are you? Don't leave my side. The house is filled with empty spaces, spaces where your laughter used to bloom. Silent echoes in this hallowed room. I only see you when the moon is blue. Oh, every beat of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take just feels so blue. This is aching my soul, it won't subside. Darling, where are you? Don't leave, don't leave. Every beat of my heart still calls for you, and every breath I take, it feels so blue. This is breaking my soul, and it won't subside. My darling, where are you?
I'll buy you the world, make the sunset on your feet, make your wish to reality. Oh, you keep complaining. Every trip I make, I always have you in my heart, thinking of our future, that it will be so bright. You keep telling me you want all my time. How can I give you? It's impossible. It doesn't mean that I do not have in my heart. Anywhere I go, I do it for you. Baby, I love you, but I can never stay all day with you. If me, I'm doing this for you. Why are you complaining about everything?
Excuse me,
Girl,
sir.
you have my
Yes, please.
heart.
Please give this to Juliet and wish her a happy birthday on my behalf.
Oh, really? Oh, that's nice of you. But you shouldn't have bothered.
Sir, it's nothing. She's a good woman and she deserves better. Please give it to her.
All right, I will. Thank you very much. I appreciate this, yeah? Thank you. You can go home. I'm done for the day, right?
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I've given it all to you. I will stand by you as long as you stand with me. Don't break my heart. Let's end this fight. It's tearing us apart. I don't like the way it's.
Hey, babe, I'm so sorry about what happened earlier today.
Hey. Do not even touch me. Don't touch me.
Babe, I'm sorry about what happened earlier. It wasn't intentional.
Save it. All right? Just save it.
All right.
Who gave you this?
It's a gift. It's yours. Gina asked me to give it to you.
Gina, your secretary?
Yeah.
Wow. So, Gina was the one that made you to leave me stranded? I was waiting for you because you promised to take me for dinner. It's my birthday, Justin.
Come on.
You didn't even come back early nor take my calls. I've been calling like a mad person. Why didn't you take the calls? And it's all because you were with that whore?
Babe, I was trying to explain to you.
Oh, please, save your lousy explanations because I'm not having it.
Listen, babe, I had some clients from Togo.
Liar! Justin, you are telling lies and you know it. Gina!
Wait a minute. Is this how low you think of me? How can you insinuate that I have something to do with Gina, my secretary?
Yes, you do, Justin. You have something to do with her, else why would you be coming home by this time? Take a look at the time. Why have you been with her? You need to tell me what you were doing in the so-called office by this time of the night. Who works by this time, Justin? Answer me.
Really?
Really?
You know what? I don't have the energy for this.
Oh yes, how will you have the energy for it? Because you've been with that whore all through the day. Who will you tell that you're coming back from the office by this time of the night? What were you doing there, Justin? It's my birthday. You promised me that we were going on a dinner day, like we were with her. You brought this cheap, lousy gift for me. You want me to take it? You have the guts to give me this lousy gift, and you took it. You brought it back home. Justin, I'm not buying what you told me. What are you doing with Gina? I'll keep asking this question this night. What have you been doing with her? Why were you with her all through the day? Why are you just returning now? I'm asking you, what are you doing with her? What?
Juliet, you're raising your voice. You need to relax. Okay? I'm tired. I'm tired of your constant nagging. Please. I'm not cheating on you. I will never do that. Okay? Gina is someone who works for me. And today, she decided to buy you a gift for your birthday. That's all.
Oh my goodness. Okay, first you say I'm nagging. That's on the side. Now, can you tell me how many bosses disappear on their wives' or girlfriend's birthday only for them to return at night with a lousy gift from their secretary? Can you tell me? Huh?
Juliet, can we talk about that much later? I just got back from work. I am tired. I need to get some rest.
We talk about it now. You must tell me what you're doing with that lousy girl. I don't know what she calls herself, Gina or whatever. Tell me what you're doing with her. Tell me why you're returning now. Tell me, I need to know. Tell me, what are you doing with her? Huh?
All right. This is my cue to go have a bath.
You're not going anywhere. Justin, you're not going anywhere. Come here.
Hey, babe. I got you breakfast. I I sincerely apologize for last night. It wasn't intentional. I never meant to hurt you in any way. Listen, I work with a lot of clients and I have a signed contract with them. I have to do these jobs so I can stay out of trouble. I do not want to breach the contracts I have with them. I'd go to jail and that's not good for us. I'm sorry. And Gina is not my lover or whoever you think she is to me, okay? She's just my secretary and that's all. She works for me. And to crown it all, she loves you. She respects you. Alright. Listen, babe. I apologize. Okay? I'm sorry for everything. Listen, I promise to make it up to you. Okay? You know what? Let's go out and have some fun. Yeah, we could go to the cinemas, see a movie, and, have some fun. Then we can go buy that handbag you've always wanted. Yeah. The handbag, remember? The one you've always wanted.
Are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm sure.
Maybe this is one of your empty promises.
Juliet, it is not. I'm serious. Listen, I'm trying to make things up, okay? I know you're upset with me and that's why you're all moody and sad. But I want to make things up, alright? Let's go out, have some fun. Then we can, go buy up the handbag you've always wanted. But your breakfast is here. You have to, eat first. Is that okay? Thank you. There you go. Babe, I don't know, it's a little spicy.
Yes. Cool.
And I don't know if the salt I added is a bit too much, but just manage it, all right? All right, give me a second.
I am overjoyed.
Say that again.
I'm overjoyed.
You had fun?
Mm-hmm. And this is the best birthday celebration I've had in years, and it's all thanks to you.
I knew you were going to say that. And guess what? I'm so excited that I was able to put a smile on your face.
Thank you, baby.
I love you.
And I love you right back. How about we go have a bath together?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Just go in, take a bath. I'll join you shortly. I need to send an SMS real quick, okay?
All right. How many minutes? 5 minutes.
Yeah. Let's say 5, 6.
All right, I'll be waiting for you, okay?
All right. Give me a second.
Don't be long.
Sure.
Baby? Babe, wake up. You need to take your shower. Are you sleeping? Come on. Come take your shower.
Mm-hmm.
Wake up, alright? I've been waiting for you.
Babe, I'm exhausted.
Exhausted?
Mm-hmm.
Baby, let's go have a shower together. That's what you said, remember? You promised.
Babe, I'm exhausted.
Come on. Are you going to sleep without having your shower? Let's go, baby, please.
Alright, just give me like 20 minutes.
No, you're already sleeping. Just get up now, alright? I can help you out. I can help you up. Come.
I'm tired.
Baby, please. You promised.
Lie down.
No.
Lay on my back.
Justin,
for
get
10
up.
minutes. Come on.
Please, just... Baby, come on. Get up.
I'm still talking to you. Can you just stop? I don't have time for this.
have time for this. All I'm saying is that I need you around. You keep going from one place to another. You don't have time for me.
Can you stop? Can you just stop it? What's wrong with you?
Justin. Really?
Listen, I'm sorry I raised my voice, okay? But I need to get something straight. Are you asking me to move my flight? Are you asking me to cancel my business meetings because you want me to be around and cuddle you and have sex with you?
All I'm saying is that you never have time for me. Can you count just one day you've been here to spend quality time with me? Can you?
Juliet, I have one question for you. Why do you always make me feel like my best is not enough?
Oh, please do not do this now, Justin, because I know too well you understand what I'm talking about. You never have time for me. You're always out there from one business trip to another. You don't even stay here. We don't spend quality time together. All right, what about the party? The party you promised to follow me this evening. What are you doing now? You're running off for another business meeting.
Juliet, another question for you. All the luxury you enjoy, how do you think they come? How do you think I make the money? I work my ass off. That's how I make the money to make you enjoy the luxury.
Okay, fine. I'm not disputing that fact. What I'm saying is that I want more. More of you, babe. I mean, what is all this? You don't have time for me. Is this how we're going to be when we finally get married?
Oh, stop.
How are we going to make babies? No, think about it. When
Babies?
you're out.
Really?
Yeah.
Babies?
Yeah.
Babies will come at the right time.
Oh, please spare me that talk because it's just a talk meant for hopeless and lazy men when they can actually create their time zone.
Are you indirectly calling me lazy, Juliet? Are you serious? Did you forget I run a company, for crying out loud? I'm an MD of a company. How did you think I got to this level if I didn't work my ass off? What the hell is wrong with you? Listen, you need to come back to reality. No man, no hard-working man gives a woman 100% of his time. It's not possible. Come back to reality, Juliet. I have a flight to catch. Come on.
What the hell? What is going on in this compound? What is going on? Huh? I don't understand what they happen for this compound again. Everything I didn't change. Everything just changed. Like suddenly everything just changed. Everywhere don't worse. Hi. Madam Wanoga, both of them are cataract. Don't they do that cataract? Two people where they play low before. But right now, nothing like that again. Oga, just focus for a job like this. Just focus, myself, focus. I know, madam, I know the Greek food again for this compound. Hi, hungry, don't show me sugar once. My eye, then they turn like this, Next so I go resign for this job. Go look for somewhere better. Where they got the good food for me, where I got the chop every day. Because the hungry way there for this country right now. Well, let your life continue like this. Well, let your life, everybody go shut it down. Well, let you. Kai! Since morning, my eye, they tell me. I go just fall, I go faint. Remember then change your mind. Because I go fire myself. Well, like, if this week pass, if you might then not change my mind, well, later, I go fire myself.
Oh my word, right inside. Wow. Yeah. Yes, Ruth. We meet again after so many. Oh my, come here. Oh my God, you're even married with a kid. Yes, baby. My dear life. I missed you so much. Thank you. Oh, baby, sorry. Sorry, my darling. Sorry. Wow, this is nice.
I don't even know what to say, please. What do I offer? Sit down first.
Thank you.
Just
thank
sit.
you.
What do I offer you? Just water is fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, please.
Juliet.
Yes, Ruth.
In my home.
Please.
Let me put my baby to bed.
Ruth.
I'll relax.
Wow, you have a beautiful place. Oh my God, Clara will be so happy.
Wait. You said you met Ruth.
I met her and her baby.
Baby?
Mm-hmm.
She has a baby? Oh my
My dear,
goodness.
I was so surprised when I saw her. Like, is this Ruth, the Barbie of our time, looking this haggard?
What did you just say?
Honestly, it was when she screamed that I knew that she was the one.
Wait. Ruth looking haggard. Like she wasn't looking good. Wait. Did you ask her what happened to her?
Marriage. Marriage happened to her. And I think along the line, things got rough for her husband, and a new baby is in the bigger picture now.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Well, that's part of the things that comes with marriage. But you know what? I think we should go and visit her since she said she's a housewife. I've missed her so much. You know, Ruth she was one of the hottest Barbie in school back then.
Yeah, one of the hot girls with the latest updates.
Our
Black Barbie.
Can you imagine? Like,
Looking like that.
I am finding it so difficult to believe that you saw Ruth looking so haggard. Like, we need to go and visit her.
I was dumbfounded when I saw her. Shocked.
I have to see for myself.
Life happens.
Who's home? Hello? Hi. Barbie! Look at you! Original Barbie now. Clara! So, you brought her? I told you. Turn again. She hasn't changed one bit. What should I change? Why should I change? You look super good. Thank you, and you. Original Barbie. Our brown Barbie. Still looking hot. Come on, life don't humble me. Which humble? Leave it, Jerry. You're still looking cool, darling. Fine girl. Are you happy now? Extremely happy. Are you happy now? Yes, I am. Good to see you again. Good to see you. Please take a seat. Yeah, thank you. Sure. Sit. Oh my God. Please make yourselves comfortable, okay? I was actually cooking. Before I heard voices, I decided to check, and boom! It's you and you! Please relax, okay? Let me check what I'm cooking. Then I'll serve you something to drink. And you, don't you dare tell me I am okay. I don't want anything, because I'll flame you through my window. I've heard you, ma. Okay, I'll be
Your
right
food
back.
is burning. It's burning.
Somebody else get burnt.
Oh my God.
This is so unbelievable that life can actually humble someone like this.
My dear, I said the same thing. Ruth of all people, life has humbled her. Totally unbelievable, just like you said.
I totally agree with you, because marriage as a context is not to be blamed. You know, there are so many marriages that are favorable, just like you and Justin. You guys will make a perfect match because Justin has money and he's very ambitious. Besides, where he is today is not even enough, because I know he is craving to break boundaries. I trust Justin.
Yeah, that's right. But if you ask me, Ruth's husband, on the other hand, is not lazy. Take a look at where they're staying. It's not bad at all. Yeah, don't quote me wrong. I know this is a rented apartment, but to rent a place in this part of the state is outrageous. It's a killer, so he's not doing badly.
Compared to the roots we know back then in school,
Yeah.
the hot Barbie.
Life happens.
Her baby.
Rose, your baby is crying. Do you need help?
No, thank you.
Okay, are you sure? Oh my god, this is the most scary part of marriage. Multitasking.
Look out. Can you hear her voice? Motherhood.
How am I going to do it?
You almost run mad.
Sweet.
Singing for your baby.
And then cooking and cleaning
I
at the
swear.
same time.
Like,
Madness.
who's gonna do that? Me?
Yes,
No.
you.
Of course you'll soon be a mother.
You'll soon be a mother too.
Me? Ha! My dear, I don't have time for that because this is
I
my
don't
shape.
understand.
I have to keep it very well. I'd rather go for surrogates, seriously.
Really, Clara?
Yes. I have to keep my shape. I need to be hot.
Cheers to long life, prosperity,
Reunion.
reunion,
And motherhood.
Kidding, Joe. Cheers to motherhood because you are going to be a mother and you are going to be a mother too.
I will.
Yes, talking about motherhood. Motherhood actually comes with a lot. A whole lot. It's quite multitasking. For instance, I cannot say because I am cooking in the kitchen, I will allow my baby cry all day. Or maybe because I have a house help. Why are you staring at me like that?
No, please.
Don't roll those eyes on me. Don't you dare. Don't give me those eyes. Don't. Okay, I was actually saying that. Let's assume I have a house help. Truth remains that I'll still have to get some chores done by myself, right? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I agree with you very well. You know, multitasking is part of what most women do while they are married. Unless you have a lot of money to hire staffs who can actually do the job. But me, I don't have time for that kind of stress of multitasking.
Yeah. So in a situation where you don't have money to hire workers, what do? You will still get the jobs done. There is absolutely nothing you can do about it. Yes, because it's late to opt out already. It's one of the major reasons I keep telling Juliet to enjoy her life to the fullest before saying I do, because the moment you say I do, baby girl, it's over. Absolutely. There's nothing you can do about it though. And I am being honest with you.
How do you mean?
It's simple. Listen. Most ladies, most married ladies to be precise, are lonely in their homes. And you can't even blame their men because these men go out to hustle and come back home with money. Of course, you cannot tell a man with bills, countless bills to pay, to sit back at home doing romance all day, all night. It doesn't work that way, baby girl.
Of course it doesn't work that way. Because he has to go out there to make money. Money is important because money is power. He has to take care of his responsibilities. Like your baby, your crying baby that is disturbing us. I'm sorry.
For what exactly? You're absolutely right. Because money is power,
Money
you know?
is power.
Yeah.
That's the Balbi. The hot Balbi back then in school. Your husband have to make money or he has to maintain you. If not, we'll, scatter everywhere. Money is important.
Very important.
Yes, I want to, when your baby comes out, you dress up, you come on social media. Guys, look at my baby. Look at I am a baby with so much money now. You understand what I'm saying now? You have to look classy. Let him make money. You should work hard, Jerry. Forget that matter, please.
Let's drink. Don't mind her.
I'm not. Wahala for who is married?
For me, me that I am married, wahala for me.
Wahala for you. We? All right, Ruth, it's time for us to take our leave. It's my pleasure to see you again after how many years?
It's more of my pleasure, to be honest. I am so happy to see you, Clara.
Thank you for the drinks.
Thanks for coming.
And we hope to see you again, no?
Of course, yes. You will keep coming now.
Alright.
Now that you know my house,
Yeah.
keep coming.
Alright.
Juliet.
Yeah.
Can I talk to you?
Okay. Is everything all right?
I wanted to ask you for a favor.
Okay, what is it? What is
Never
it?
mind, don't worry.
No, you can talk. What is it?
I don't know if you can help me with anything. Let me buy my baby's food. I don't know.
Yeah, why not? It's okay. Yeah, sure. Put in your details.
Okay, thank you.
Just manage it, alright? It's only 50,000 naira. Please.
Juliet.
That's the much I can do.
Thank you.
Oh, please, Ruth. You're being too thankful. It's just 50,000 naira, not like it's 1 million naira.
Wow.
So why don't you just calm down? You don't need to say plenty thank you now. What's 50k?
It's okay. Alright?
It's just 50k.
It's okay. It's alright. Alright, see you. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay.
Let's go.
Great baby for me.
Hi, baby.
Hi, love. You okay? How are you?
Good. Still on this?
Yes. So I'm trying to put together the reports for the contract as soon as possible. They'll be reviewed tomorrow morning, so I need to get it over with. How are you?
I'm good. Alright then, I'll wait for you.
You're waiting for me how?
I'm here working with you.
No.
Yes.
Okay, this might take a little longer, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Babe,
Mm-hmm.
go to bed and I'll join you
No.
as soon as I'm done.
No. I'm waiting.
You didn't hear what I said?
I heard you.
You can't sit here and wait for me. This might take a while.
I'm not complaining.
I like it when you're stubborn, you know that?
Me? Stubborn? How? Really?
Well, it's a compliment. It's not an insult.
Of course, I know it's a compliment.
Babe, please, go to bed and I'll join you shortly, okay?
I said no, I'm not complaining. Just get back to work, alright?
It's okay.
Okay. You're home already?
Yeah, I've been around for a while. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you coming from?
I went to see an old friend. We reconnected after 8 years.
8 years?
Yes.
That's a long time.
And babe, guess what? She's already married with a kid.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So how's she?
Yeah, she's good.
Oh, that's great. So I have been home trying to compile some of these reports. I need to work with them tomorrow morning.
Okay, and I'm sure you haven't eaten anything.
No, I haven't. Do we still have some peanuts in the house?
Sure, we do.
Can I have some, please?
Okay, I'll quickly get it and prepare something sumptuous for you. Okay.
Welcome.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long gonna I take this thing? Oh, every bit of my heart still calls for.
Babe, you've been on this since you came back in the afternoon. When are you going to come to bed? At least you need rest.
Babe, I'll be done soon, okay? Just give me a moment, alright?
It's almost midnight. You need to sleep, you need to rest. And moreover, I miss you, baby. I want you.
Babe, I have to put these reports together. It's needed in the office first thing tomorrow morning. Please, just give me like 30 minutes.
Fine, if you say 30 minutes, I'm going to be up till then. Once it elapses, I want us to discuss something very important.
That's alright.
I'm counting down.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart. How long gonna I take this thing? Oh, every bit of my heart still.
Oh no. I slept off again. Justin has deceived me again. I'll just go and freshen up and eat him. Oh no. So this is how we do it now, right? You no longer have my time.
Good morning, love. Why do you have that face? I mean, isn't it too early to be sad?
What would you rather have me do? What sort of relationship are we in? Am I the only one pushing it? Like, I can see it's not balanced. Can't you see too?
How do you mean?
How do I mean?
Yeah.
When was the last time you sat down? Like, we both sat down to have a normal conversation like people who are in a relationship. When?
Babe, you slept off last night. I didn't want to wake you up. Okay? And this morning I have to be at work at 8 a.m.
It's always the case with you. Work, work, work. Like, your work is now more important than the woman you kept at home. It's always work with you. God.
You know, sometimes I wish you can see things from my own point of view. I run a company, okay? I need to be present to ensure things work well. So I can make some money to take care of us.
All right. Run along to work as usual. Good day.
You don't have time for me. I've been begging on my knees. This is breaking my heart.
He needs all the attention he can get from me. He's VIP. I need to make sure I close up this deal.
But why didn't these clients come during the weekday? Why now? Today of all days? Why?
What's happening today? I can't remember.
Justin, are you doing this intentionally for you to be absent at the lunch date I planned with my friends? God.
Oh, shoot. When is the date again? Is it today?
Definitely. I knew you were going to forget, and that is fine. All right? I wasn't expecting anything more. You know what? I'll just call it off. There's
No,
point.
it's okay. You don't have to do that. Come on. Listen, I'll see my client and finish up with him, and I'll come right back to you. We can go together, okay?
Do not disappoint.
I'm not going to disappoint you.